Hello everyone, right now we are going to learn about iframe. So what is the iframe? Suppose you are browsing a website and you need to run another website inside your present website. That means you will browse two websites at once, and for doing that you have to know the use of iframe. So let's start the process from the beginning. So in line number 51, I'm going to type iframe, then I am pressing space button from my keyboard. That means I have to put the space, and then I have to type source, that means src, and then you have to type the equal mark and the quotation, or you can just press the tab button, and inside the source you have to type the web address. So as an example, we want to run https:// Kane and Steve.xyz. That means we are running about.html page, but inside this page, this iframe or this Kane and Steve.xyz, this address will be load. So this is the basically use of iframe. So let me close these things by using of greater than sign, and let me save this one, and let's take a look in our live server. Okay, you can take a look, the website is loading in here. Okay, so this is our about page, but inside our about page we running another website using the iframe. But if you want to resize the width and height of the page, you can do that very easily. So let me show you how you will customize the size for your iframe. So in here, after the quotation mark, you have to type width, and for width I am going to type 75%, and then you have to declare height. For height I'm going to write as like 500 pixel. Okay, so I declared the web address, and here I declared the width of the iframe, and here is the height of the iframe. So let me save these things, and now you can take a look. Now the site is fully running inside our about page, and here is the scroll bar, so you can scroll down and you can now take a look. The entire website is loading inside our web page. So this is a very simple process for applying the iframe or for running any other website inside your page. Right now we're going to learn about the symbols in HTML. So when you are going to create a website, you may need to put some symbols like copyright symbol, like registered symbol, like heart symbol. So many symbols you may need. And how you can place that? You can place that very easily. So I want to type this paragraph tag in here, and inside the paragraph tag you just have to type copyright. Okay, this is just a text, and this is just a text, but after this copyright text I want to place the copyright symbol. And how you will do that? You just have to press the space, and then you have to press and sign button, and when you will click this and sign button from your keyboard, then you can type copy, and then you can put the semicolon. Actually you need to know the entity of the symbols. So if you know the entity of the symbols, in that case it will be easier to place the symbols. So let's take a look in our live server. So therefore you just have to save this text, and you can take a look. This is just a text, but what we used this copyright, this symbol, and for using this symbol what we used and sign and the copy. So now I want to write and sign REG, that means registered sign. And let me save these things, and you can take a look over here. I placed copy and registered sign. So let me place some more symbols. Like I want to write trademark. So therefore you just have to put the and sign, then you have to type the trade, then I'm going to write a heart. This is for a heart shape. So I used trade and sign trade and sign hearts, and then I'm going to press Ctrl and S button from my keyboard for saving. And now let's take a look inside our browser. So here is the trademark symbol, here is the heart symbol. So if you know the entity, in that case it will be easier to create the symbol in HTML. And I'm going to provide you a website where you can find the entities for your symbols.